In this video, I'll detail how to enable automatic speaker on iPhone XS. So if you have the iPhone XS in the iPhone X series, then you'll be able to turn on automatic speaker on your iPhone so that when you have an incoming call and you pick up the call, this is going to enable speaker automatically. You will not need to choose whether to put the call on speaker or not. Your iPhone XS is going to put this incoming call on speaker, and this is similar for outgoing call. When you turn on automatic speaker on your iPhone XS and you put a call through, this is going to enable speaker automatically. So if I know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable automatic speaker on your iPhone XS, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you just need to scroll down and click on accessibility. Click on that. Then scroll down and click on touch under physical and motor. Now scroll down and click on call audio routing. Then you should see your call audio routing set to automatic. Now, to enable automatic speaker on your iPhone XS, all you just need to do is select speaker under call audio routing. This is going to put the call on speaker by default. Then automatic will allow you to switch between speaker and Bluetooth headset. But once you select speaker, this is going to enable automatic speaker on your iPhone XS. So when next you want to make a call or you have an incoming call on your iPhone and you pick up the call, this is going to enable speaker automatically. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.